Hey, so I decided to do this video. I think this is day 5. I know that if I wait any longer, I would not be able to do it. So I went out. I have a meeting with my workers. Very important meeting. We've been on a camp meeting, and what happened yesterday was that I wanted to wait till I was done with the meeting. We finished the meeting by 4. I got home. I was very tired, and I slept. Literally slept almost into the new day, and that's why I posted the video. I posted very, very late, and even network didn't even allow it to post in the day it was supposed to post. It posted like the next day, which is today. So but all is well. I'm doing this video now. This is my fifth day of consistency. I trust it counts for something, and I'm going to be posting it as I'm going in to go sit down with my people and have my meeting. All right, I want to see if I can post one more at the end of today. All right, peace.